So when I joined the Trade Mastermind, my turnover was 110,000. This year I planned, I'll be doing my full accounts now, but I'm on track to hit 600,000. You know, there's me, I didn't even know the difference between profit and revenue when I joined. When I started the Trade Mastermind, I was doing 1,000 properties before letting agencies. I was sort of here and there everywhere. I'd leave the house at 7 o'clock in the morning. I get home at 8, 9 o'clock at night, and that's when I then start doing my paperwork. I've had people call me up in the past and go, "Can we have our service done?" I go, "Yeah," and they go, "Can we pay for last year's?" I didn't have a process in place. I can't even stop smiling about it. It's just now, basically, my business, everything sort of is different. There's systems, there's processes. I have people working for me. And we went from 17 boilers a year to now I've done 130 boilers since I joined. So that's a big difference. If I didn't change the ways I was going, I couldn't go to the gym. Everything about my life was just based on going to work. And when you're at work all day, there's no time to look after yourself. I've got a stone at home that my daughter painted while I was off with her. Now that stone would still exist if I didn't join the Trade Mastermind. The only difference between about that stone is at the moment that stone reminds me how I had the time to paint it with her, and that sits on top of my desk and I get to see that every day, knowing that I was there to paint that stone rather than being I was thought about while she painted that stone. So that's got my life back and I love that stone.